Who has the most points? We're going back to the place where it all started. How many years, bro? 10 years, huh? 2016 you joined? 16, yeah. You?
I joined when you joined 5th.
So 2015 is ours. We're going back to the school now. But it feels weird, no? After going back to the school. Bro, and we're driving there, bro. That's more nuts.
Show the driver, bro.
Okay. Why, da? He used to bully the bus driver. People never knew about
Bus number 3, no?
Yeah.
He used to
stand near the bus stop and throw chits inside DPS.
Oh, right.
Some at and all this game used to throw.
Caught.
Okay, I'm going to eat this only because you're a penny.
Three. Choose in between, bro. Fuck you, bro. My God.
No one drink.
What? Masala fish, 9 rupees. Wait.
Super.
Fries? Go on, go.
Wait. First. Burger only. Continue. Nathania, go there. Go to the fries.
GST is 200, it seems.
Done. Update.
Wait. How do I change it to fried?
It's already fries.
Okay, then fine. What
She's
do you
fried.
want? I'm good. I just helped us. I am. It is a good plan.
Carrots, what do you think, Carrots? You'd be homeless.
Record it.
She's like, they're homeless in the car.
Okay.
Able to like it, bro. She are trusting me.
Okay. So listen. First.
No. I don't mind coming out. I do definitely mind your plan.
Wait, listen.
Every day. Bro, no name dropping, okay?
No name, bestie.
No names.
Fuck will I know.
So I had cycle, even he had cycle. I used to cycle to school every day. And then I was obviously bored cycling alone. There was one day I went to his house and then I told bro, come, let's go in the cycle. And then for the next 6 months we went in the cycle. And then one of the cycles stopped, his cycle stopped working. So we went doubles to school in cycle. Where he used to sit in the front.
So 3 people.
He used to sit in the front, I used to sit in the back. And then we used to ride to school and ride back home. I used to drop him on the way. And then there was another time where Arnav is sitting in the front. I am riding. Neil is standing behind. 3 of us are going.
Bro.
We dropped. And then his mother is asking one day, how all 3 of us came? We told her we got blasted. And then one day he came in the bus. Me and Neil went in the cycle.
Racing.
One uncle dashed off. Near Zudio. One uncle dashed, bro. First of all, I don't know Hindi. And then uncle's proper Hindi. And what can I tell? Kya kar raha ho? I told. Like, chup chap jao, he told. And then Neil went and spoke in Hindi. I was just standing there.
He went and spoke.
Yeah. We leave Mithlesh alone, bro. Let him be there alone. What? You're a small baby. You won't be out there alone.
What's the time?
Time for you to shut up and say that.
3-6.
What, bro? Schools become rich. They've ordered from Amazon and all.
Me? I'm not.
Bro, Arnav didn't get
No,
bad.
it's fine. Fuck him down. Let's just go with him.
How you want?
Talking to them. If their teachers come, you call us. We'll come. Bye. Caris, even you come. Mariamma, ma'am! Ma'am, it's fine.
How are you?
Everyone saw recently, no?
Yeah. Carol, what Carol? Crazy.
How is your mom? She's doing good. Welcome all.
To see the goat.
See you, man.
Can I see how we missed that? I did not recognize.
They don't talk. After breakup, how they'll talk now?
விட்டு போன வாசலிலே
4 years ago, 5 years ago.
But I still remember, okay?
Yeah. No one will forget, ma'am.
He is sitting in the class. If I ask, Mom, I'll study.
But I studied, ma'am.
He was sitting alone.
The one who studied among all of you.
In the place used to sit. I used to sit in the front with Rainy. And
Ma'am,
he used to
did you know he switched to veg in between? Ask him. Which girl?
Best day in a long time.
Bro, come we go to that canteen, bro.
Different focus
Hey,
in
we'll
life.
see. Hey, I want to recreate one picture there.
Really.
Which one, tell?
I'll show you. I'm recognized. Hey.
He didn't come, he's lying to you.
Able I met that day, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Natanya, how are you?
Ma'am, I came.
He's a very rude guy, man. Don't worry.
I didn't see you. I met
I
Candice.
was sitting this side, yeah. I was sitting.
No, sorry.
How are you all?
Good, ma'am. How are you?
Enjoying?
Yeah.
What are you doing now?
Chilling.
Chilling? You are always chilling.
Yeah.
nice. I have seen your videos and all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Today video I saw.
Yes.
The people went and disturbed, right?
They woke me up.
Oh, nice. No, you have good. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Where did you join? Okay. What about you, Anna?
Joseph. St. Joseph. अब डिग्री कर रहा हूँ उसके बाद पायलट कर रहा हूँ.
उसके बाद शादी करके
शादी में नहीं मतलब.
नहीं, शादी नहीं.
नहीं.
ठीक है शादी करो 100%.
Already selected. Done.
हो गया ma'am.
Just one more tear to cry, one teardrop from my eye. You better save it for the middle of the night when things aren't black and white. And the troubadour, remember.
How hard I gave a reference. Hey, don't record all this now.
If you say that
I
bitch
did
is
not say
retarded.
anything. None of that is AI.
I just finished editing the vlog that y'all just watched, and I realized that there was no outro for the video. So, but throughout the vlog, I was only smiling and being happy and grateful for something that I used to have. Man, it's so sad that it's over. But anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Let it rip.